I've been up and down these same damn roads, and nothing ever seems to change. Yeah, you go a little older, then one day the strange becomes mundane. Well, I don't know how folks can do it day after day. What does it feel like to be here and not feel right? Does the feeling fine? Does it serve to enlighten? I don't know all of the details of the day, but I felt that it would be wrong to bow my head and pray. Cause there's nothing out here but busted trucks, empty beers and rusty nails. There's some broken bottles and boarded up houses and these worn out old man tales.